If you haven't figured out, this channel is all about trading. And the reason it's all about trading is because I am reinventing myself and my life to become a professional trader so that I can trade my way into my new lifestyle as a Gen Xer. Today, I am trading gold. I have been on the gold market for the last couple of days because of what's going on in the world. Gold is a reserve that people use to keep themselves safe in times of economic uncertainty. And the futures market trades mini or micro gold contracts. I also trade mini gold contracts as well. So I trade the micro gold contracts and I trade 5 at a time. I use a prop firm to trade. Today I got into a trade way too early and at kind of a very bad spot to get in as a long. I usually short the market, but I got in as a long because all of my indicators, and I'll show them to you here, have shared that, oh, it's up, it's going up. That doesn't mean it's going up from where you get in. It means that the market in general is going up. I also realized that today is Powell's day in front of the Senate, as Powell is speaking about the current economic situation, which, thank goodness, is a rollover from our past presidency that did a pretty decent job in keeping the markets strong, especially the S&P. If you weren't watching, you can go back and you can actually check that. You know, there are charts that you can check. Don't just think that I'm making this up like the current administration. The market has been strong for quite a while, and we were expecting a pullback anyway. What we're seeing is a lot of stagnation in these areas. Now we don't have those channels, and there's been a lot of condensation. It condenses, and then it starts to go one way or the other. But we're waiting for it to figure out which way it's going to go. Today I got into a trade and I got in at a high spot thinking that it was actually going up, but I didn't actually look at the double top, which I should have kind of looked at that. And here that is right there, the double top. And I ended up going down almost $300. And so I'm still in the trade. I'm not going to take that loss. I'm just going to wait and wait it out. My intention for this is to go up to about 29.40, 29.38. So I set my profit target there in that area, like 29.40, 29.41, to see if it wicks right through that, which would be at a spot that it would show us that it's on its way up. There has been talk in the market that gold is going up to 3,000. I look at it and think, wow, okay, that's a great target. I'm not going to say it is or it isn't because I'm not an oracle. But what I will say is that I'm going to play it as it is going up. And so I'm not used to longing the market. Longing the market is a little bit different because there's these spikes and then these great pullbacks and spikes and great pullbacks. And that's what we've been seeing for a little while here. This is a market update. I'm going to do these on a daily basis for you. Follow this channel, like this channel, share this channel out. And if you are trading, let me know in the comments what you're trading and how you're doing. So just so you know, this is a cultivated audience of Gen Xers who are very interested in learning about the markets, learning how I'm trading, and I'm teaching myself how to trade with a coach. I'm being very honest and transparent here. I am definitely not interested in what you are buying or any of your accoutrements that you decide that are needing your attention, like the current administration, very victimhood type of person, and you like to be the victim. There are no victims on this channel. This is all about Gen X learning how to trade, reinventing their lives, creating a new lifestyle for themselves, and moving forward in this administration and in this economy. We are now being tossed away as not valuable. And it's scary. It's been going on for quite some time. I think a lot of us are really realizing how a smack in the face this really is. And if you don't have a following, if you don't have a lot of people that are glomming onto you, you're not dancing in front of the camera or doing a bunch of these tricks, then you might be pretty boring as far as everybody else is concerned. But if you are a Gen Xer who is, like myself, reinventing themselves, and you're looking seriously at, okay, how is this person trading? What does this person know? And little things that I might share with you, especially like where I got in on the market, why I'm at a loss right now, why I'm going to hang on, why I don't cut trades, certain things, how I'm getting XFA funded, all of that, then stick to this channel and share it out with others that you might know who are interested. And stay tuned for the financial disclaimer next. I'll see you on the next video, and thanks so much for sharing this out and helping me grow this channel. Disclaimer: I am not a licensed financial advisor, broker, or legal professional. Any trades, investments, or strategies I discuss or share are based on my personal experiences and educational journey. These actions reflect my own decisions and are not financial advice. Trading stocks, commodities, including COMEX, or any financial instrument carries inherent risk. You alone assume full responsibility for any financial decisions you make. My content, including emails, blogs, social media posts, videos, etc., is for educational and entertainment purposes only and should never be interpreted as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold an asset. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Always consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. By engaging with my content, you agree that you are acting on your own risk and waive any liability against me for outcomes related to your choices. TLDR, not advice. Do your own research. You're responsible for your money.